Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So in few days back the Snapchat team launched its one of the feature called Snapchat Plus subscription, and it has lots of features, and the important one is My AI. So by using this My AI you can make your personal conversations, but nowadays most of them does not like this feature. So anyway, if you feel same thing, just follow me friends, because I show the steps to remove this My AI. So first method is, so now in this homepage section in bottom it shows some options. So here you can select chat and click to open this My AI, and one more time you can tap on this My AI. So here you can press this horizontal three dots icon and go to chat settings, and finally click to clear from chat feed. So once you press this option, that My AI is automatically removed from chat section, and this is method 1. So next method, you can go to your profile section. So here you can press this gear icon and scroll down and click to access clear data, and it shows lots of categories. So here I try to select clear conversations, and in first it shows that My AI. So if you like to remove it, just press this delete icon, and it asks for the confirmation, so you can click to clear. So after I done these processes, and then I try to check my chat section, but friends, now this time you can see that My AI feature is successfully removed from this section. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.